So, hi. Today what we're trying to find out is with which material or colored frame will the paper be at its warmest point in the straw. So what we did is either put tinfoil in the frame, black paper in the frame, or white paper in the frame. Next, we poured water for 30 seconds exactly each time through this blue straw and picked it up at the end after 30 seconds while shining a light on it that was quite warm. So what we found out was that the white paper was the most effective to heat up the water and the straw. Then it was the black paper, and finally it was the tinfoil. So what else do we have to say? Our standardized variables were that the light had to be at the same distance of the straw each time. The water had to flow at the same speed every time. The material had to be placed exactly the same each time. So what we could have done wrong, or could have done better. So what we did wrong, what did we do wrong, Luke?
Well, we could have put the water in at different speeds, and we could have also left it in for a bit too long one time.
Yeah, and I think we had one beaker with all the water, and that might have heated up in the process. So what we could have done better is get new water and measure it every time. Measure the temperature every time. Or, yeah, not big mistakes.
So if we were to do this experiment again, we'd probably do pretty much the same, just change a little bit so we have it more exact and precise.
Alright, but how does this relate to real life? So on the roofs, on some roofs of the houses, there are big water tanks that collect.
They're called thermal solar energy.
That collect water from the rain, and then this water goes into tubes like this one, and start being heated up by the sun. And what this does is it heats up your house and it's water that could be used in your washing machine or in your dishwasher, or even if you're in your bathtub. So we chose this one because it was the most related experiment to real life. And I think we did a pretty good job. Okay.